So our dinner labs consist of a menu that's been devised beforehand. We run several different series. Our first series is a bistro or a modern classics bistro style menus. Then we run into some international inspiration menus, which are based off of restaurants, fine dining restaurants from around the world. And then we also have visiting chefs come in who do menus, which the students will all execute. The way that it works is there are a group of students and they will rotate through the various positions in the kitchen. One would be the student chef for the day, one a saucier, one an entremetier, garde-manger, pastry, etc., etc. As well as the rotation through the kitchen, there is a rotation through the front of house. So the students will have an opportunity to be a maître d'hôtel, the sommelier, etc. on the floor. I think that this as well sets us apart, being able to show the broad restaurant picture to the student. And I think that it's a very important thing to take when you leave. You're not just learning how to cook, but you're actually learning how to operate a small business. You're actually learning how to be a front of house manager, even though you're going to be a chef, which gives you a lot of, I want to say, maybe empathy towards your colleagues in the future. If you understand how they work and how the challenges that they're going to face, then you can better work with them.